continue solving exercise 9, page 113. I said for you before, to add two fractions, the two fractions should have the same denominator. Here I have three fractions and there is parenthesis. I want to explain for you something new now. To add two fractions and the sum of these fractions between parentheses, we start between parentheses. When we have finished from the parentheses, we will move to the outside operation. For example, if I have 3 over 12, it will be the same 3 over 12. I finish first what is between parentheses, then I will continue without parentheses. What I have between the parentheses here, 5 and 1 over 8, 8. So they have same denominator, so I can add them. If they didn't have same denominator, I should reduce them to same denominator. Like in the second example, I've explained for you. Now, I have 5 plus 1, it will be 6 over 8. Now, if I want to add this, instead of these operations, I will write 6 over 8. I will change these numbers into 6 over 8 and I will write them here. Now, if I want to make addition, I want to try to think more than I was thinking before. Before we have denominator 12 and 8, we get the LCM. Here, if I can simplify the fraction, I will simplify it. For example, 6 divide 2, and this one divide 3. It's more easiest when I have smallest numbers. Equal 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Now I have same denominator. I can add them. It will be 4 over 4 equal to 1. مساقبة هون يا مس انه كنت قادرة اعمل simplify. ممكن يجيني fraction I cannot make simplify. I will get the LCM and I will continue. For example, the second one. Here I have outside 1 over 12, it will be the same. And it cannot be reduced. Since 1, it cannot be divided on any number. Plus, between the parentheses, I don't have same denominator. I should reduce them to same denominator. I have 8 and 4. If you think well, the 8 is a multiple of 4. So if I multiply 4 by 2, I can get 8 also. It's equal to 1 over 8 plus 2 over 8. It will be equal. The 1 over 12, it will be the same. 1 over 12 plus 3 over 8, 3 over 8. طلع عندي اثنين fractions ما عندهم same denominator. شو بدي اعمل؟ بدي اروح جيب على جنب ال LCM لل 12 وال 8. We make the divide 2. It's 6. It's 6, 4, 2. It's 2, 3. By 2, I get 1 here and 3 here. By 2, by 3, it's 1. So here we are, the LCM, it's 8 times the 3, it's a 24. Now look at what I will make. I will get the LCM 24, and as you know, 24, I have two fractions that the denominator is 24. I will multiply 12 by what to give me 24? By 2. And here by 8 times the 3 give me 24. That's 2 plus 9. It will be 11 over 24. So your friend said for me, Jude, what is the LCM of 12 and 15? You get it alone. What is it?
60.
60. I will correct it. Divide 2. I have a mistake. Did you see? I get 3 then 2. It's wrong. So I should make also divided by 2. I cannot change from 2. It's divide 2. It will be 3. And here 15. Now over 3. It will be 1 and 5 and 5 and 1. As your friend said, it's 15 times 4. 15 times 4, it will be 60. So I get my LCM 60. Now I should have between parentheses two fractions with denominator 60. I will continue. The outside is 20. It's 1 over 20. Look now. 12 times what give me 60? As you know, the 12, it's 4 times 3. We cross 4 and here 3. It will have just along the 5. So I should multiply by 5. نفس الشيء بالنسبة لل 15. ال 15 هي 5 times 3 بخبيها بيبقى عندي 4 يعني بدي اضرب ب 4 times 4. It will be 25 plus 16 equal. Between parentheses, 25 plus 16 equal to what?
Minus 45.
No. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 and 1 up. 2, 3, 41. 41
Yes,
over
I forgot.
60 plus
Sorry.
1 over 20. As you know, 60 is a multiple of 20. إذا بضرب 20 ب 3 شو بتصير؟ بتصير 60. It's equal to 3 over 60. ما في اكتب هون 3 over 60. It's wrong. I should write all the operation. بدي ارجع اكتب كل الاوبريشن. يعني بدي ارجع اكتب من الاول 41 over 60 plus the second one 3 over 60. It will be 44 over 60 and we can reduce it by dividing it by what? We can divide 60 and 44 by what? We can divide it by
What?
4. We can divide it by
Huh?
4. No, by 4. 44, it can be divided just on 11 and 4. Since it's 44 multiple of 11.
I'm not gonna hear you
It
too
will
well.
equal 11 over 15. It's 11 over 15. Now, as you know, when I hasn't a denominator, I will put 1, 1. Directly, I will multiply it by 10. I can multiply it by 10. It will be 10 over 10 plus 4 over 10. It will be 14 over 10 plus 3 over 20. 20 and 10 are multiple. We multiply 10 by 2 and we get 20. So it will be 14 over 10 plus 3 at 20. So 3 over 20, it's a multiple 20. I multiply by 2, it will be 28 over 20 plus 3 over 20. And we add them. 28, 30, 29, 30, 31 over 20. Now the last one, since I have 3 and 15, I can divide 3 and 15 by 3. Just a minute and I will answer you that. It will be 5 over 1 plus 1 over 5. Delbani, pay attention. Plus 3 over 30, I will divide them by 3. It's 1 over 10. انتوا تخيلوا انا كيف جبت ال 1 over 12 يا حسين سألتني قبل شوي هن equal under equal. اللي بين parentheses بيضلوا بين parentheses بتطلع 5 over 5